When I wake up at my home and look outside the window, what do I see? I see some cement concrete buildings, a tree maybe, and a small piece of sky. But if these were the homes on Rohida Fort, these had quite a view. Imagine waking up here at that time and looking at the Sahyadri ranges. Actually, you cannot imagine. Because we don't even have a reference of such a visual. Good morning, and today I'm planning to go to Rohida Fort, that it's called Vichitragad. I have continuous feeling that somebody is following me. I don't know who it is. In the beginning of 2020, this is my first trip for Winter on the Go. This is one of my last year's locations, bridge at Jambuiwadi. On the way to Rohida, we can see Necklace Point, one of the best locations that I have ever visited. I really feel proud when I'm passing from here. This is the first glance of Rohida Fort, or Vichitragad as they call it. And I have started walking towards the fort, and it is quite a distance, a short 1 hour trek. After 20-25 minutes, I'm almost at the half of trek. On the left bottom part of the fort, there are few structures which look like caves. We have almost reached the fort, and this is the main entrance. From here we enter. Oh! When did you come here?
10 minutes before.
So you were traveling with me?
Yeah.
I was feeling that someone is traveling with me.
Yeah.
And you know, this is how our kids surprise us. This is my son. Great. Now let's explore this fort together.
Yeah.
This is the view from main entrance of the Rohida Fort. And from here, we enter the fort, and there is a really nice door in.
Who is that?
Sir, this is Painter on the Go.
Okay.
Can I come inside?
Yes.
It looks like from here there was the residential area. These are the watchtowers which were built to keep an eye on activities happening in the valley. That might be enemy or someone trying to communicate with the people on the fort. You will find such shooting holes on all the walls of Maharashtrian forts. So, If someone is trying to attack from below, the attackers on the fort can attack the attackers from below, and the attackers on the fort still be safe from the attack of the attackers from below. This fort was built minimum 1000 years ago. And you can look at the precision. The tools at that time were also so simple. Means you can look at this. This is the limestone crusher. The limestone paste was used as cement to construct all these forts. Everywhere in Sahyadri there is one thing in common: the humongous view. You cannot feel that on your 6-inch screen, even on the 60-inch screen. You just have to be here to experience how it feels to be here. After roaming on all the fort, I find this buruj or the watchtower a beautiful element to paint. But I need to find a place where I can sit with all my materials spread around me. And I think this is the place. This is the west side face. So now this is against light. I'm using acrylic colors to paint. The benefit of using acrylic colors is the flexibility to use it. Means you can use acrylic colors like oil colors, thick and with proper texture to it, and you can use it like watercolors as well with transparent flows. The best part of having company and such good company like your kid is having a free lunch. And I'm having this pretty tasty sandwich. It's awesome. And main thing is I didn't need to invest my time in making this.
Party.
Thank you. So Akshar, you surprised me today.
Yeah.
How did you manage to come with me and I couldn't understand it?
Because I did not touch you.
Oh, okay. So how was your trip today?
It was fantastic. I was not tired of climbing the mountain. It was fun. The best part of today's trek was you leave me alone to play there.
Oh.
Here it is.
Okay, so that is the same part that I was painting.
Yeah.
And this is looking nice. The flag and all these things.
Yes.
The stone structure. Good. So what do you want to tell me?
I want to tell just one thing. You're doing your drawing beautiful, so keep it up.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye bye, Vichitragad.